One of the things, of course, if you're a startup and you're here at IDCEE or at any other event, the reason why you are here is to reach out to investors. If you want investment, make appointments with investors. If you want to reach out to press, make appointments with the press. If you want to get feedback on your product, talk to as many people as you can. And that's why all these startups are here. And it's good to hear that startups like Floctory have so many meetings set up. And that's the value of an event like this. So, the last one gets another 5 minutes. And where are you from, actually? Where are you from?
Czech Republic.
Czech Republic. Is that far away?
24 hours.
24 hours in the bus?
Yes, 6 hours on the borders.
And how did you get here? Bus?
Yes.
That's the true startup spirit. No first-class planes. No. The bus. That's good. Okay, it's the last one of this session, and afterwards we have lunch. RealPad from the Czech Republic. Come on, you can give him an applause. Okay, that's it.
Okay, hello. My name is Marin. I come from Czech Republic, as taught. And I'm here to introduce our project called RealPad. Basically, RealPad is the iPad application and also the Android that helps sales teams at real estate developers to sell more and cut costs, as you can see. How do we do with that? We basically replace all the printed materials such as brochures, price lists, renderings, and all that stuff used by real estate sales teams with one single and easy-to-use online solution that allows the salesman to have all the stuff with them automatically updated on the go. So basically, the vision is to bring the online benefits to the world of offline sales. If you sell online, you have some tool, for example, Google Analytics, where you can track what's going on in the sales, how your customers react, and we do the same thing. We track what's going on in the offline sales and provide the sales managers with the analytics and tracking statistics of what their customers needs. So to summarize the value proposition, we reduce the print costs, which is not the money for printing itself, but for managing all that stuff, distributing to the salesmen, in-house salesmen, agencies, and so on. We are also the easy-to-use platform for managing the marketing data at the real estate. We cooperate with the graphics and architects who provide our customers with the models and graphics that really sells the listings. And as I mentioned already, analytics. Another benefit we offer our customers is unlimited number of installations and unlimited technical support. Well, our application is very easy to use, so they never had any questions. It was not very expensive for us to give them unlimited support. Well, I think that the real estate market is not kissed by technology at all, so there's a huge potential, there's a huge space, and we would like to become the standard solution for the salesman, for the customer relationship management, for the visualization, and to help our customers sell better. What's the business behind? Basically, it's extremely simple. We simply sell the software licenses of RealPad to the developers for particular projects. And we try to make it flexible enough so that it fits the needs of big players and small players as well. This price you can see is only for software, but we also add some additional services. So the average price in Czech Republic as we sell it is about 6,000 euros per one project. Okay, the market, it's not the huge, it's not the billion-dollar business. But what's good news, as I told, it's not stuffed with technology solutions, and the good news is that it's very stable. People always will have to build new places to live. Okay, as it comes to the traction, we came with this idea 1 year ago because I was working as a web designer, freelance, working for many developers in Czech Republic. In January, we won the small smart startup competition in Czech Republic, where we got $15,000 seed from Czech investor Kamil Vacek. It's a guy who sells HTC mobile phones in 22 countries. So his best value for us, he knows how to sell in the region. He sells from Czech Republic to Belarus and Greece. Okay, then with this small amount of money, we finished the product because I'm a developer, software engineer. So we spent some money for marketing and started sales in Czech Republic. We addressed about a quarter of Czech market and managed to sell 14 licenses. And currently we are testing the rest of the market. We are testing 2 sales methods. One of them is direct, which is pretty good because we save money for the reseller. But the problem is that real estate is very, very old school business, done by old guys. So it's hard to build the trust. So the second way we are testing is using the resellers who are architects or mortgage consultants. This month we are starting to sell in other countries where we know some people from Czech Republic, some locals. And to finish, I just introduced the team. It's very small. You see that handsome guy. It's the only founder. We have now 3 software engineers, 2 architects, and 1 investor I mentioned. So I think that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So, as far as I can see, you're not only handsome, as you say yourself, but we all agree, right? He's a handsome guy. You're smart. You're a developer. You seem like a very honest guy, and with a nice product. So I'm very curious what the jury thinks of this, or have questions. So, Jose.
What we think of the business?
Well, I think your question, he already answered it. Like, how big is the market? You always ask that one.
I will ask a different one.
So
I would like to know in more detail what's your secret sauce. I mean, how do you differentiate? How is your product different from other things that are in the market, and how do you stand out from other things that exist?
Basically, the first thing, it's mobile. It's the native mobile application, so it's not the website. So the marketing data connected with real estate are really huge data. And if you do it online, like using website, it's extremely small. So this is the first thing. And if we have to differ from, there's one, I would say, direct competitor. It's Salesforce. Probably you all know it. But their product is extremely complicated. It's very good for US market, but it doesn't fit European market at all. People don't understand it, and they don't buy it online, And the Salesforce guys, they don't look like they're building the sales representation as we want to do, because we know that in Europe it's the only way how to sell.
Other questions?
Well, not really a question. I mean, it was a very smart question because there was Floor Planner, there's MyDeco. There are a lot of tools around, productive tools, which cover the problems you're attacking here. I think for me it's not very clear what is really the disruptive momentum in it. What does it really change for a real estate agent in terms of productivity? Do you have any kind of KPIs there in terms of higher conversion rates, shorter sales pitches, more efficient organization?
Sorry, the rest.
Do you have any KPIs from the first initial pilot customers you have? How much they improved their business processes while using your tool?
The first developer who used our application, it was Israeli developer BCD Group, building in Czech Republic, and as they sold 80% of apartments before they finished the building, which is a much higher number. As they started to use the application, the sales grew from 4 to 5 apartments per month to about 15. It's not only because of our application, they also started to invest some money in marketing and so on, but we have some number, and what I can say, we have 100% retention. As I told you, we have 14 licenses, and all of our customers returned, all of them.
So what I like in your concept is Digital business offers a lot of business opportunities, and not all the companies and initiatives will become Googles and Facebooks. And I think you're attacking a space where middle-sized companies, agencies, service companies can create, based on technology, a good living, a good income on a middle-sized company. So it's not really a venture case from my perspective, but it's a very good approach using innovative technologies to create value on a medium scale.
Yes, what I forgot to mention, the next step we want to increase our market in the business is we are currently working with the Cushman & Wakefield, which is one of the biggest real estate agencies for offices. We are working on version for office real estate, and once we have enough projects in our portfolio, we would like to become also the marketplace, you know, the mobile marketplace for buying homes. So not only the salesman uses it, but you can download it from the App Store, see all of our projects, and once we have, since we have enough information of how the sales really works, we don't want only to be a catalog where you make a decision, but really guide you through the whole sales process. So you can download the app, arrange meetings, and all that stuff. So we want to be different from simple e-commerce platforms where you can see one picture of the apartment and the price, you know.
So you're basically saying right now you don't think it's a VC play, it's a nice lifestyle business, but when he addresses like, you know, the real estate market is huge, so once you are in there, it could be, do you think it could be a VC play in the end? Right now it's not. But
you always have to distinguish whether an application is a feature or is it really a business model. And I think he's offering a lot of interesting features for a real estate agent to do his job better. But enterprise software sales is a long shot, especially in the, as you said, traditional old real estate economy, with diminishing margins and, you know, a lot of freelance agents who don't have really money to invest in tools. So real estate market is very big. The question is whether this solution really attacks the market itself or just supporting service providers in the market. But I think, you know, it's you don't always have to look at, you know, the stars, and I think there's a good potential for the company.
so
Thank you.
one of my best friends owns a company that does a similar thing, and one of his problems is that the market is declining for real estate agents, and it is truly, it's not a technology-driven business, it's more like a sales business. What is your...
If I can react to the decreasing business, basically it's very good for us because our solution is very good for big companies who, you know, because if you have family business, you sell well, you don't need application. But if you have a big corporations, such as our clients are, you have 12 salesmen, you don't know them, you know, so basically if you give them the tool, you standardize. So
No, but what I mean is, how do you sell to the big corporates?
Yes, as I told, we are testing two ways. First of them is direct sales, addressing
so
the
sales
customer.
effort.
Yes, using our own in-house sales representatives, and the second way is looking for reseller partners. Okay. And we are testing currently these two ways in Czech Republic, and we will see how it works out.
Okay, thank you very much. And good luck with scaling this to a worldwide company, because that's going to be a tough one. But thank you very much. Give him a hand.
Thank you.
RealPad.